another song too. Non सरकार पे लोग इसे तोगिया लाम लोग वालों का जितना चलाना नहीं जो मुझे बेचता है असल तो इसे तोगिया हो बुकिती को सोनांगी मां kalau solam pakai alang cicini lo, office समय तुम कार्बिंगम डिस्ट्रिक्ट कांग्रेस कमिटी पे हो इसमें पुsi निकाह में अलग सोच पकड़ा है जीतो असलदा प्रेस रिलीज इसा दो है इंग्लिश में सीता ये बोला समय पढ़ी पढ़ी पर प्रेस रिलीज 16/6/2021 कार्बिंगम डिस्ट्रिक्ट कांग्रेस कमिटी The Karbianglong District Congress Committee (KADCC) welcomed the long-awaited proposed peace agreement to be signed shortly between the Gulf of India, the Gulf of Assam, and the 6 rebel outfits: the KNLF, the KPLP, the PDCK, the UPLA, etc. of Karbianglong, for the cause of peace and development of the district at the same time. The KADC also congratulated the 6 militant group on their lying down of arms and ammunition to join in the mainstream of the society for a noble cause. In regard to the final peace pact agreement, the Congress party is optimistic that the militant group will uphold their aim and aspiration for the very spirit of their sacrifice and stick into the implementation of Article 244A of the Constitution of India for creation of an autonomous state within the state of Assam for the people living in the 6 scheduled areas of the hill districts in the state beside any other political fact. The economic pact, etc. The Congress party is always with the ideology of unity, peace and development, supporting the demands for autonomous statehood to topmost priority for achievement. The KDC also has lamented for not including the long-standing autonomous statehood issue in the previous 2 accord, that is MOU and MOS signed in 1995 and 2011 respectively, where the creation of an autonomous state within the state of Assam under Article 244A inserted in the Constitution 22nd Amendment of 1969 has been totally denied. As the autonomous statehood issue is the main root cause of militancy confronting the hills people of the district in Assam, the said accord had become futile and impractical and could not solve the major problems of the hill district permanently. In this connection, the KDC has apprised the central government, the government of Assam and the authority of Karbianglong Autonomous Council, KACC, and urged upon them through this memorandum submitted through the Deputy Commissioner of Karbianglong District to consider for implementation of Article 244A of the Indian Constitution for creation of autonomous state on topmost priority in the peace accord to be signed, and the characteristics and the interests of the 6th schedule of the Constitution of the hills people living in the hill district of Assam shall be protected 100% in all respect. Jadi itu maksudnya memorandum pidam lo, lapen Karbianglong Asia manta pidam lo,lasolo ko DC hoy per memorandum ki pale ji pan itu, Prime Minister Monsam panong lo, alogot Home Ministry Home Minister Monsam itu panong lo, Monsam lapen itu ladak Chief Minister, lapen Governor Monsam alo ki pale pansi itu DC panti lo. DC bangan cicak dono lahai alo mukaan ini yang bongkan kado kabe forwarding CPC ke pale jihan sidak CM handame price kuri lo lalu arlo tu kachetokji ho jate ja itu kado kabe MOU MOS sign dan sisteme Karbianglong ala bangke nonan kusame ke claim ke da bhi bhag abar sai ko sonai ma ala bank na bina da son sido Nasi Congress party sabang ke aprang foreseeing CM ke rules tame je nona bakke 244 bakke nang sodo ke implement di House long sabe ki papal lo lapen time to time bakke akas tame state hud alama bangke Congress tu bangke je la bangke kedang sodok tu guys kami interior basi raso MOU ji tok der bis kami karbian long gitu kemang once ki plane nai ma kemang nai ma once ki plane nai ma chok ke der jenisi nono bangke beside 244A bangke itu declare ke dam nai an same pa plane je kana ki sumdo lasi 244A pe na ke koma bangke itu ma bangke jitu guys kami support de no lasi ke nang sodo office tame peace record kachetokji itu phan la pen la peace jitu mainstream ke bang phan ke alang itu phan chorolo alang tum ke bang ko talang tum kachetokji hu alang tum jitu main and objective aprang hele kaman god hu office alang tum ke mang ma ala so teng bang alang tum jedo thip se ke meji ka benglong la ke mang tek pusi dan ini tum hoi pen ke alang ni tum han chuning ri lo ke chaje tum han stame la pen ka benglong district congress committee hoi stame le tum jitu aning khang la so teng